Number 1. 1968 Ford F250, $6,750, Elbert, Colorado. This 1968 Ford F250 Ranger Camper Special is a one-owner survivor with 88,000 believed original miles. Powered by a robust 390 cubic inch FE V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers a dependable, old-school driving experience. The truck retains much of its originality, including straight body lines and most chrome trim. Minor rust is visible on the lower fenders and inner rocker, but overall, it's a solid example. The saddle blanket seat cover and carpeted floor hint at period-correct charm. With recent carburetor work and a new battery, this F250 is ready to drive or restore, a dependable piece of Ford's golden pickup era. Number 2. 1963 Ford Ranchero, $4,250, Temecula, California. A nearly complete project, this 1963 Ford Ranchero blends car-like style with truck utility. It's equipped with a 250 six-cylinder engine and C4 automatic transmission. The owner has performed substantial upgrades, including a Ford 8-inch rear end, Granada front disc brakes, new brake lines, a Shelby-style front suspension drop, and refreshed interior features such as new carpet, headliner, and seat. With no rust and Craigar mags, it's a solid base for a mild restomod. The engine currently runs rough, but this Ranchero represents a classic worth finishing. Number 3. 1984 Chevrolet K10, $10,000, Merrill, Oregon. This 1984 Chevrolet K10 long-wheelbase square body pickup showcases the rugged design of the 1980s. Originally a diesel, it's now powered by a reliable Goodwrench 350 V8 installed in 2004-2005. The manual transmission and rebuilt axles emphasize its durability. It comes with an aluminum canopy and toolbox, making it functional for work or leisure. With 150,000 miles, this K10 is a dependable daily driver or weekend hauler, a well-kept survivor of the square body era. Number 4. 1952 Dodge B3B pickup, $15,000, Koreatown, California. A well-preserved gem, this 1952 Dodge B3B pickup has spent over 50 years garaged. It runs and features upgrades like new power disc brakes and a beautifully wood-lined bed. The body retains its timeless curvaceous 1950s design, showing Dodge's attention to utility and style. It's rare to find such an honest truck in this condition, ideal for collectors seeking a classic that's both functional and historically authentic. Number 5. 1973 Ford F100 x4, $15,000, Woodland, California. This rust-free 1973 Ford F100 4x4 combines classic looks with modern reliability. Equipped with a TBI 360 V8, power steering, and power brakes, it offers strong off-road capability and smooth highway manners. The solid body and clean presentation make it an appealing buy for enthusiasts seeking a vintage 4x4 ready for adventure without needing extensive restoration. Number 6. 1989 Ford F150 XLT Lariat, $12,000, Bandera, Texas. A true time capsule, this 1989 Ford F150 XLT Lariat shows just 80,528 original miles. Its 5.0-liter EFI V8 and automatic transmission performs smoothly, complemented by dual gas tanks, cruise control, and modern comforts like AC and power windows. The truck has been tastefully refreshed with new wheels, tires, and a toolbox. Clean and well kept, this late 80s F-150 captures the transition from rugged work truck to everyday driver. Number 7. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado short bed, $16,000, Lake Brownwood, Texas. An unrestored yet show-winning survivor, this 1986 Chevrolet Silverado in Canyon Copper Metallic boasts performance upgrades, including a 360 cubic inch small block, roller cam, AFR heads, and a built TH400 transmission. Despite cosmetic wear and a few dings, it's mechanically solid, running cool even in Texas heat. With power steering and brakes, this truck blends vintage style with serious muscle potential, a standout for enthusiasts who appreciate authenticity and power. Number 8. 1982 Chevrolet C10, $20,000, GOLETA, California. This 1982 Chevrolet C10 short bed is a beautifully executed build with over $30,000 invested. It features new suspension, fresh paint, interior, glass, and gauges. Powered by a 350 V8 with a Holley carburetor, headers, and a 700 R4 transmission, it offers both performance and comfort. Lowered stance, new tires, and a rust-free body make it a show-quality example that's ready to drive and display. Number 9. 1980 Ford Ranger 4WD, $17,400, Grand Junction, Colorado. This 1980 Ford Ranger four-wheel drive pickup pairs rugged performance with classic style. Powered by a 351 Cleveland engine with computerized fuel injection, it runs strong and smooth. The two-tone brown exterior with rhino-lined bed and cover highlights its well-kept condition. With only 86,000 miles, this solid and dependable Ford is a rare find from an era when durability defined the brand. Number 10. 1949 International KB2 pickup, $21,000, Sequim, Washington. A stunning example of post-war craftsmanship, this 1949 International KB2 has undergone a complete frame-off restoration. It retains its original 214 cubic inch green diamond inline-six, 3-speed column shift, and all-metal body. Upgraded with 12-volt electrics, new wiring, modern gauges, and new brakes, it blends vintage authenticity with modern reliability. Beautifully finished in red with a powder-coated bumper and fresh interior, this truck is an exceptional collector-grade vehicle. Number 11. 1998 Nissan Frontier, $700, Billings, Missouri. A budget-friendly project truck, this 1998 Nissan Frontier offers a simple, durable design. With 220,000 miles, it has a good transmission, recently overhauled clutch, and functioning AC. However, it requires timing chain repair. Ideal for a hobbyist seeking a lightweight and reliable pickup platform, this Frontier still represents Nissan's reputation for endurance and utility. Number 12. 1953 Ford F100 Mild Custom, $23,500, Canyon Country, California. A beautifully customized 1953 Ford F100, this build merges classic styling with modern performance. It's powered by a 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission and GM subframe front and rear on air suspension. Equipped with power brakes, steering, AC, and shaved door handles with remote poppers, this truck delivers show-level appeal with everyday usability. A sleek and refined example of early 1950s design, reborn as a modern cruiser. Number 13. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe, $24,000, Denver, Colorado. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe Fleetside has a long family history, owned by one household from 1973 to 2018. The current owner has preserved its originality with care, logging only about 4,000 miles. Featuring a 350 V8, automatic transmission, and clean, straight body, this truck is an ideal mix of authenticity and drivability. Garaged continuously, it's a clean driver or an excellent base for a show-level restoration. Number 14. 1978 Chevrolet C10 Square Body, $25,000, Tucson, Arizona. An exceptional build, this 1978 Chevrolet C10 Stepside combines classic aesthetics with performance upgrades. The rebuilt 350 V8 features a comp cam, Edelbrock intake, Holley carburetor, and MSD ignition. Additional highlights include headers, Flowmaster exhaust, aluminum radiator with dual fans, and rebuilt steering components. With an old air AC system and proven reliability in Arizona's heat, this truck is a top-tier example of a refined square body that's ready to enjoy. Number 15. 1987 Chevrolet K10 Survivor, $23,500, California. A true survivor, this 1987 Chevrolet K10 is completely original with just 68,000 verified miles. Powered by a 4.3-liter TBI V6 and 4-speed automatic transmission, it remains untouched and unmodified. The factory undercarriage is pristine, and the 37-year-old paint still shines. Recent maintenance includes new Toyo tires, KYB shocks, plugs, hoses, and valve seals. A rare opportunity to own an authentic, stock square body 4x4 in remarkable preserved condition, ready for daily use or collection.